Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's Kingdom Silver here, and today I am super excited because I have them, ladies and gentlemen. I got these Oklahoma Goldbacks in just this Monday, and I'm super excited to show them to you. This is our first look of the Oklahoma Goldback Series. We're going to be covering the designs, the hidden details, I think, that are in these that make them fantastic. We're going to be comparing them to the Florida Goldbacks, and also we're going to be showing off the new security features that are on all of the 2025 Goldbacks. You're not going to want to miss this. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Let's dive into it. So it's no secret on my channel that I do enjoy Goldbacks. Now I've said this in several videos, and I advocate this. You know, premium for me is king. Actually, 3 days after these Goldbacks came out, and I purchased them from Monument Metals. I'll give the prices on those and what I paid for them in just a minute. But they had this beautiful, they being Monument Metals, 1881 gold half eagle at spot, and I couldn't turn it down. It's US gold at spot, and it's pre-1933 US gold at that. And a commenter said, you got to get you some, and they got me hooked. I don't know who that was, but thank you. Now I have a problem. But having said that, you know, there is, I think, again, I'm going to be purchasing at spot anytime I see deals, right? As my budget allows, I'm going to do that. However, I think there's a lot of opportunities with the Goldback. You know, we've talked about it before on other videos, so I'm not going to really get into it here, but you know, there's utility, there's the ability to transact with these, especially in lower denominations. Again, that's not really where the video is going today. I just wanted to kind of show these designs here. And for those that may have been on the fence, saying, hey, I don't know about the design, I wanted to give you some opportunity to look at it. So this is the half Goldback here. And I really am enjoying the little hidden details. And in fact, there were some things, I think these Goldbacks are so intricate that there was things on here that I didn't really notice the first time that I was looking at these. First of all, you can tell just how radiant these are. And I love on the back of the Goldbacks here that you see this like negative image or this negative print. It almost looks like a printing plate to me on the back. I think that's absolutely fantastic. But then if we go here to the front, you know, you can see the details here, the date on the cowl. Also, I really like this. I didn't notice this until actually getting ready for the video, but it has this text here at the bottom, and each one of these Goldbacks do. This half Goldback says, whatever you do, do it heartily. And I think that's a really cool quote. And moving to the one Goldback here, so switching here, it says, let me get it to focus here. Come on, there we go. I have finished the race. I have kept the faith. And just look at the details there of the flowers, the different birds. You know, you've got the homesteaders running in here. There's some text on that. I think it says perseverance. Again, just incredible detail on these. And then the two Goldback, which I didn't actually get the opportunity to purchase any of these on the Florida Goldbacks because they went so quickly. As soon as I saw the link on these from Monument Metals, I jumped on them. So I don't know how quickly they went out of stock. But the text on here is, the greatest strength is gentleness. But I just love this design. And also you'll notice the colors, and again, I'm colorblind, right? So I didn't notice this the first time, but you see the half Goldbacks have kind of got it like a gold, where's that red? And that's red, sorry. I told you guys I'm colorblind. Reds and greens typically, but you've got this red border on the half Goldback, the green on the one Goldback, and then a yellow on the two Goldback. So I think they look absolutely fantastic. And you know, just let's compare them real quick to the Florida Goldback. So again, this is the one Florida Goldback. Again, the text here, honor and discovery. So just putting those designs side by side, you know, which one is better? It's really close. You know, I think for me overall, and I will show the half Goldback as well. And it's interesting because you can see this one, the half Goldback has got the green border, and they did the red. And actually the red border is for the one Goldback here, if you can see that. So they switched up the borders, which is interesting, and just kind of putting them side by side here. I think I'm giving the lean to the Oklahoma Goldbacks. I think that's simply because, as well, I just really love the Western theme. When I was a younger a kid, I would watch all the old Westerns, Roy Rogers, the Cisco Kid, Bonanza, and you're like, man, this millennial man, he's different. I make jokes that I'm kind of a boomer, a millennial. I love the old school stuff, and I'm very proud of that. But yeah, honestly, I think I'm giving it to the Oklahoma Goldbacks, but I think it could really go either which way. So we did a bit of a comparison between, the Oklahoma Goldbacks, the Florida Goldbacks. I showed you the design. But one thing that I think is really cool, and these are on the Florida Goldbacks as well as they came out in 2025, is the security features. And to do that and to show you the security features, we're going to have to turn out the lights. And with the lights off, you can now see this new security feature. And I think it's super cool, ladies and gentlemen. I've got a black light right on these Goldbacks right now. And this is a UV radiant ink. This is a new security feature, again, that Goldbacks has released. And this is very similar, to how there's UV lighting that is used on our currency as well, to give it new security features that would help it be prevented from counterfeiting. Honestly, the Goldback designs are so unique that it would be very difficult for someone to counterfeit them. But I think this just adds an extra layer of security. And these were also on the Florida Goldbacks as well. And I apologize for not showing these off in the video. I was thinking under the impression when I made my Florida Goldback video that this was new just for the Oklahoma Goldbacks, but that's not true. You can see these as well on the Florida Goldbacks. So with the lights back on, I'm going to tell you how much I paid for all of these. So again, I'm not going and breaking the bank on Goldbacks. To me, again, premium's always king. I'm going to be focusing on higher premium physical gold and silver. However, as the opportunity presents itself and there's new designs, I'm going to pick up some Goldbacks. So I got enough just to get over the threshold of free shipping, which was $200 roughly. It was $199 through Monument Metals. And for 5 of the 2 Goldbacks that you see on the screen here, I paid $12.93 per Goldback. For the ones, I paid $6.54 per Goldback, and I got 11 of them. And then on the half Goldbacks, I got 20, which came out to $3.26. So for me, are these worth purchasing? Again, I'm not an investment advisor. To me, I think it's reasonable to have some of them in your stack. I wouldn't necessarily stack them, right? That's for me. I know some people say, hey, stack Goldbacks. To me, again, physical gold and silver, these to me are kind of like playing a penny stock, right? This is more of a long shot. It could be really successful, right? But we don't know yet. We don't know how the adoption for these is going to take off. So while it's a great opportunity, while these seem to have a lot of collectible value, I think buyer beware, right? And so for me, that is why these are a very, very, very small portion of my stack. But when they have a new release, I pick some up. Or, they're free as a throw-in in an order when I'm buying some physical gold, silver coins or bars. That's where I'm really going and taking advantage of these deals. But I would love to know what you think in the comments. What do you think about the Oklahoma Goldback designs? Do you have any of the higher denominations? What are your favorite designs of the Goldbacks? I would love to hear your thoughts. With that, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Be a blessing to others. We'll see you later.